Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. I have many followers. You guys
please unsubscribe her.
Best teacher, do you agree?
Yes.
I am the best teacher.
Yes, maybe.
So where are we at, guys?
Animal orphanage.
Guy, Paul, imagine sikujua yena ni kubwa hivyo. Ati ni kadogo kanakaa mbwa. Say hi to my YouTube. Shapol. Say hi to my YouTube. We. Kumbe yena ni kubwa. We. Sinika lioness, labda kakona mimba. Guys, we are here with kids and it's actually so fun. Are these pigeons or what? Not after you speak in a frame. There's some cutie buddies over here. This place is so serene, it's so cool. I mean, you will check you guys. Easy vitu mnapostingi TikTok at your visit with your friends. Guess what? I am a teacher. And the trip tunaleta watoto huku. And the beautiful part is we don't pay. Because the school pays for us. Let me see what's here. Upon hizo birds. Oh, Janet cat. There's this. This is how it looks like. Swahili name Kanu or Kala. Oh, ni kadogo. Kamilala. I have to zoom because ziko in cages. Inakaa kapaka. Oh, it's literally a cat, the Genet cat. But it's like a wild cat or something. So yeah, guys. There is this a cheetah or a leopard?
Cheetah. Leopard. Cheetah. Imeandikwa pale leopard. Imeandikwa pale. It's a cheetah.
Cheetah. It's cute.
Yes.
Aww. Hey, cheetah. Oh. You see the black line that is here? Okay. Do you have leopard? Iko? Haya. Yeah. The tailed mongoose.
White tailed. Mongoose.
Nice. Kuja.
Mongoose. Kaikoza ni mbili. There are two and this one another one.
Oh, it's on top here. There are cages you can't even see. That's the mongoose. Did you know they are solitary creatures, meaning they stay alone? If threatened, they will secrete noxious substance from their itashuta. Na ikishuta, secret. Yeah, it smells really bad. So don't make them anxious. Darkness. You should even buy for a soda.
Take care of your teacher, that's why you be careful, so that you have all your body parts correct.
We are looking at. What are we looking at? I had. Oh, there are two. Yeah. There are two cheetahs of an leopard. Just to check you, as you said, the handle is.
I changed it.
You changed it or you started over? Hakuna nini? Si uingie ukwe animal hapo ulale hapo.
Oh. Hey.
So but they don't have a lion. Ama hii ni lion. See, a lion has nini? Mane.
Hiyo ni male, hii ni female.
Let me try and get a better shot.
What do you call?
So that's a sleeping lion. Sleeping beauty. Do not wake up a sleeping dog. The lion sleeping. Shh. Kimiti, tuko sana. Be where I am. Kuja hapa kwanza Kimiti. Kimiti, please come here this side.
I wish the cameraman could be here. I wish the camera could be.
Oh my God. Oh. Inanguruma. Mr. Lion. Excuse me. I want you to bite Kawich. Shh. Relax. Wait. It's shy. Or it's sick. It's old. Hi, Mr. Lion. Huyu anaitwa Bosire. Bosire was rescued. Oh, he was rescued with a limb injury. Ni huyu? Huyu ndio Bosire?
Because he's the oldest lion in there.
Oh, he's old. Si Bosaya, Bosire. Take care of the environment.